large. Pag yung small yung binili nyo, 50 baht lang yun. I got my coffee na. Pancake. Yun lang. Hindi ba ibang flavor? Bigger version. Hi guys, I'm currently here in Balen Chicken. Sana narinig niyo ako. Medyo nakakahiya mag-vlog kasi medyo maliit lang yung space. I can't remember kung saan ko nakita tong place na to or kung kaninong influencer vlog or TikTok. Ay nakasave siya sa Gmaps ko, so sabi ko sige I'll try it out. The restaurant is called Balen Fried Chicken and this is 60 baht. So 60 baht na to with soup na yon. And ito yung large. Pag yung small yung binili nyo, 50 baht lang yun. Around 1.5 kilometers from Pratunam. After this, I'm planning to go to Piccolo again, have some coffee, check the clothes again. Let's see if bibili ako. Also, sisingit ulit ako ng Songwat. Susulitin ko yung last day ko here sa Bangkok. Pero baka bumalik ako ng hotel mamaya. Kasi naiwan ko yung film camera ko. But yes, kain na tayo kasi yun nga, marami akong hinahabol. Marami akong gustong gawin today. Let's go, let's eat! Which one's your best seller?
This one, yeah.
I get the vanilla bean cloud latte. Can it be oat milk?
Oat milk?
Hey guys, so I'm back here at Galileo Oasis and I'm now here sa Piccolo because I want to try their coffee. I didn't get the chance to get their coffee last time because pasarado na sila noon and matcha na lang yung available. Sakto lang yung tao ngayon, though puno sa loob kasi yun yung air-conditioned space. And then after this, I'm going to just get my coffee. Vanilla bean lang. Thank you. I got my coffee na. Hindi daw pwedeng gawin outside yung milk kasi because of the cream. And I got the vanilla bean cloud latte. Kasi I wanted to try the coconut coffee but puro yun na lang order ko from the previous cafes that I've been to. So let's try a different one. Alfresco seating na lang yung available. But it's okay. Actually hindi, mainit pala. Baka masising ako. Medyo mainit. Buti na lang suot ko pala ngayon is yung binili ko kahapon sa Chatuchak Market, which is yung linen nila. So kahit pa paano, hindi naman siya super init sa balat. But yeah, let's try it. It's good. Nothing special really, but it's a good cup of coffee. Chocolate chips ba yun? Parang may chocolate chips siya. Maybe I should try na may cloud. Narealize ko lang na this kind of reminds me of Comuna sa Makati and also Cubao Expo. It's like a mix of that. And medyo magkaiba yung dalawang yun. I think it's similar in a way na parang siyang group of restaurants, cafes, and stores in one building or compound. I'm back here in Talat Noy. Nagpalit na rin ako ng damit. Buti may laundry sa hotel. I came back here to go to the tea house, which is like an old, which is like a heritage building converted into a tea house. I'll insert the name here kasi sarado na siya nung pumunta ako dito sa Talat Noy no isang araw. But yun, I'm also planning to go back to Songwat to explore it a bit more. I just want to share that these streets remind me of Haji Lane in Singapore. You know, all the murals and all the shops. But yes, I'm going back to Songwat to explore it a bit more. I didn't get the chance to explore it a lot when I went there a few days ago. I saw a rubber duck store. Let me check it out. I saw a rubber duck store while walking. Hello. So I just bought a postcard from an artist that was illustrating different scenes of Talat Noy and Bangkok. And marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Hindi ko alam bakit sabi niya mag-selfie daw kami. I think selfie naman kami. And I also bought a postcard. Sabi ko kasi I'll start buying postcards during my travels. So ayun. It's almost 4. Siguro hanggang mga 5 ako sa Songwat. And then I remember this. And then babalik na ako ng hotel. Punta akong Big C. Sabihin pasalubong. And then ayun. I might go to Central World. I might go to Central Embassy and edit photos because I have a deadline. So I'll edit photos and then probably head out to the airport around 9 to 10 because my flight is at 3 o'clock. Wait lang, hindi ko sure kung tama yung dinadakadan ko. Also, kaya pala ako bumalik ng hotel because I forgot my camera. My film camera, and gusto ko siyang maubos and get it developed before I leave tonight. So I still have, let's check. I still have around 12 shots to take. And also that's the reason pala why I went here, because I want to take the photos here. And I need to take up all of the film photos just so I can get it developed before I go. There are definitely more people now that it's a weekend. I went here when it was a weekday, so it was much more peaceful. Pero actually medyo marami na tao nun. So I'm expecting na sobrang daming tao sa Songwat today. I'll get 3. So may nakita ako na titinda ng pancake. Try natin. Para siyang Barquillos. Ang daming tao ngayon dito, guys. because it's a Sunday, everyone's out. I need to get off the street. Seems like everyone in Bangkok is in Songkot right now. Hey guys, I'm currently here sa Big C, my last stop for today. If hindi ko sasama yung pag-work ko mamaya. But I'm here to make last-minute pasalubong, to buy last-minute pasalubong. Though I don't really have any plans kung anong bibili ko. So nagsasearch pa ako sa internet kung ano pwedeng bilhin. Buti na lang, bagong bukas sa Big C. Sa tapat nung, malapit sa hotel ko. Nandito ako ngayon sa Phoenix Mall. And kakabukas lang nitong Big C dito nung July 27 ata. Wala pa siyang 1 month. Hi guys! So, totoong balita, maganda nga mamili ng pasalubong dito sa Big C kasi sama-sama na sila sa isang section. So, nag-search lang ako sa Google ng mga pasalubong. Sa TikTok dapat, kaso hindi naglo-load yung TikTok ko guys. Baka dahil sa eSIM ko. So, nag-search lang ako sa Google and then sama-sama na lahat ng recommended pasalubong sa isang section. So, mga kinuha ko ay search na lang kung ano yan. Hindi ko sila ma-recommend agad kasi hindi ko naman natitikman. This one. Okay. Ayun lang. Ako ito makita. Yun lang. Then iba-ibang flavor, bigger version. Again, hindi ko naman ma-recommend pa. Kasi nga, hindi pa naman natitikman. Parang masarap ito. Sige, let's buy this. Tapos ang laki niya. Yun lang mas mura. Ito na lang guys, mas mura to. 4 baht lang naman. Tinipid ko. Siguro yun na lang for now. Gusto ko na rin kasing mag-impake. Sana kasya yung dalawang card. Pag hindi, mag-debit card tayo. Hi guys, I'm ending my Bangkok vlog here. Nandito ako ngayon sa open house. Bumalik ako dito to finish some work because I have some deadlines. I wanted to maximize my stay, my last few hours here in Bangkok. So pinilit ko pa rin lumabas and dito ako nag-edit, which is medyo malapit lang naman to sa hotel ko. And I really like this place for co-working. So if you guys are looking for a space na very convenient to work, you can do it here at Open Space. Or Open House, I'm so sorry. I meant Open House. And yeah, I have a flight to catch at 3 a.m. So right now, it's 8:30. Siguro mga 9:30 mag-check out na ako. Para mga 10, nandun na ako sa airport. Or like mga 10:30. And then, I might use my airport lounge. Ang bala ko kasi pumunta ng airport ng maaga para makapag-stay ako sa airport lounge. And then doon ako mag-work until my flight. Thank you for joining me in my Bangkok vlog. I'm not sure kung paano yung divisions ng vlogs na to. But if you watch the whole video or the entire series, thank you so much. And yeah, I'm excited to make more content, more travel vlogs in the future. Who knows where I'll be going next month? Abangan! So yeah, abangan nyo na lang and make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you guys if you made it up until this point. I'll probably put some links in the description box for you to check. Siguro ang last reminder ko for you guys is to use my Klook code Khalil Alcala Klook. It's right here or somewhere in the screen. You know, it's a small way for you to support me so that I can continue making travel vlogs. And that is a wrap for my Bangkok vlog. See you on my next travel vlog. Bye!